Today we are going to discuss about rank of a matrix by echelon form. A matrix, a matrix A is said to be in echelon form if number 1 every rows of A with entries 0 occurs below every rows of A with non-zero entry. Number 2, the number of 0 before first non-zero entry is less than number of such 0 in next number of 0 in next row of A. The rank of A in echelon form is equal to the number of non-zero rows of the matrix A. Okay. A matrix A is said to be in echelon form if every rows of A with all its entry zero occurs below every row of A with non-zero entry. Okay, occurs below row of A with non-zero entry. The number of 0 before first non-zero entry is less than the number of 0 in next row of A. That means if this is my matrix consisting of element A, B, C, D, then E, F, G, H, okay? If there is some 0 row, then it will be occur at the bottom of this matrix. And here, this is the another third row consists of the element 0, 0, I. These are 0, not O, okay? These are 0, not O. I, J, K. Okay, there is another row, suppose, consists of 2 0 element 0, 0, L. Here, every rows of A with all its entries 0 occur below every row of A with non-zero entry. That is, this is non-zero entry, this is non-zero entry, this is also non-zero, because the remaining first element is 0, but remaining 3 element is non-zero. Here, first 2 element is 0, but remaining 2 element is non-zero. And the entry with 0 occur in the bottom. Suppose this entry occur in the second row, then with the help of proper transformation, I will bring it to bottom. Okay. So here, if this matrix contain a zero row, then it will be occur below non-zero rows. Okay. This is my first condition. Second condition is the number of zero before first non-zero row. Number of zero before first non-zero entry in a row. Okay. In a row is less than the number of zero in the next row. That is, yeah, number of zero in the third row is less than the number of zero in the fourth row, and the number of zero in the bottom is more than the number of zero in the previous rows. Here, if you can check, you will get a triangle of zeros. So this matrix is an echelon form. Now rank of this matrix is number of non-zero row. First non-zero row, second non-zero row, third is non-zero, fourth is non-zero, but fifth is zero rows. Okay. So rank is equal to for this matrix. Remaining will be in the next lecture. Thank you.